Meet Kirmada and say goodbye to cluttered tabs, confusing logins, and uncertainty about time spent on each client.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm come back again with a new Appsumo module review. Today I will discuss very useful and attractive tools for productivity tools. Within these tools, you can easily create dedicated workspace to store, file, bookmark, text and social media account for individual project and automatically generate timesheet for you and other team member to improve billing accuracy every month. This tools is Kirmada tools. Basically, these tools work on project in dedicated web browser and automatically track billable hour. Firstly, I want to say what is Kirmada tools. Kirmada is a browser-based productivity tools that organize project and client into future-based workspace. If you are a freelancer, a small business and virtual assistant, this tools best for you. And this price is $49. If you want to get discount Kirmada tools, you will buy Kirmada tools to give my link. In that case, you can get 10% discount. I will give Kirmada tools buying link in the description box below. Here you can see there are 3 plans available: license tier 1, license tier 2, license tier 3. When you purchase license tier 1, then you are getting 1 licensed user. This price is $49. License tier 2, then you are getting 5 licensed user. This price is $129. License tier 3, then you are getting 20 licensed user. This price is $229. If you like and buy this product, just click here. If you want, you can buy these tools. After buying these tools, if you don't like it, don't worry about your money. Appsumo will give you 60-day money back guarantee, so you can return it anytime. With these browser-based tools, you will be able to stay focused and improve productivity like never before. Kirmada let you organize client and project into dedicated workspace, giving you only the tab you need on hand, because you can switch workspace in 2 clicks. It's easy to provide between different project and client work throughout the day. Now I will show you how to use Kirmada tools. I hope you will get idea about this tool, so let's go and see.
Like many business owners and freelancers all over the world, you probably juggle multiple clients, accounts, and projects using your usual standard web browser. But these browsers aren't designed for the way you work. Meet Kirmada and say goodbye to cluttered tabs, confusing logins, and uncertainty about time spent on each client. Kirmada's intuitive workspaces provide a dedicated browser for every client, making it a breeze to switch between clients with just 2 clicks. Each workspace is a separate, billable browser, letting you dedicate a distinct space for each client or project. Switching between workspaces is effortless. Keep your client project separate, login details stored, and your desktop clutter-free. Collaborate effortlessly by sharing your workspace with team members, allowing you to work within the same accounts and contribute to a shared timesheet. Instantly share tabs, social calendars, and media libraries for seamless teamwork. With our innovative timer feature, Kirmada automatically tracks the time spent in each workspace, ensuring you never underestimate your billable hours. Many of our users report they're able to bill significantly more each month by simply using Kirmada. Connect your client's workspace with its own social media channels, and then you can schedule all their posts in advance, plus your social inbox collates all your incoming messages in one place for easy and efficient engagement. Ready to experience the Kirmada difference? Try it for free now. Unlock your productivity and boost profits with Kirmada.